Welcome to the best picks. The best Aerografo Para Barberia is probably one of the most exciting tools to elevate your barbering game. This video is your ultimate guide. We'll dive deep into the world of airbrushing, exploring its rise in the barbering world. We'll uncover how this technique allows for precise finishes and intricate detailing, transforming ordinary haircuts into stunning works of art. Get ready to learn everything you need to know about this essential tool. Number 5. Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor. This kit is perfect for both beginners and experts. It is designed to make your artwork easier and more efficient. Featuring 40 psi air pressure, this kit provides a 60% performance boost. It ensures stable performance for various applications, from art painting to makeup. Easily adjust the air pressure with 3 settings, 25 psi, 30 psi, and 40 psi. You can effortlessly achieve the desired effects on your artwork with a simple touch. The dual-action design allows for precise control of fluid and air. The trigger on the airbrush pen regulates pigment volume and air, preventing waste. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this kit is easy to master. It's ideal for airbrushing, model coloring, cake decoration, and more. The professional airbrushes come with an adjustable tailstock. You can detach the tail to fit the right needle for your painting needs, making your airbrushes smoother. With included nozzle options, 0.2 mm, 0.3 mm, 0.5 mm, you can craft finer lines. Unleash your creativity effortlessly and bring your ideas to life with impeccable detail. What we like. This airbrush kit boasts high pressure and adjustable settings, giving you ultimate control over your projects. It features a dual-action design, allowing for precise control of paint and air. If you're a professional barber looking for a versatile tool to create detailed designs and gradients, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The non-clogging nozzle design ensures smooth operation, and the cleaning sets make maintenance a breeze. The air compressor is powerful yet quiet, and the adjustable PSI allows for precise control. The kit is very easy to set up right out of the box, and I was able to start painting without any issues. I like how smooth the airflow feels and how controllable the paint application is. The dual-action design gives me precise control over the paint volume, which is perfect for the small details on my models. Switching between different nozzles is simple, allowing me to achieve both fine lines and broader coverage effortlessly. The compressor is surprisingly quiet and consistent, so I can work for long periods without interruptions. I was impressed with how clean the kit stays, and maintenance is straightforward thanks to the included cleaning tools. Painting miniatures has never been this fun, and I feel like I can really bring out the details now. The kit also feels very sturdy and well made, which gives me confidence it will last for a long time. I have tried other airbrushes before, and none of them offered this level of precision and ease of use. The included accessories cover all my needs, so I don't have to buy anything extra. Even as a beginner, I found it intuitive and satisfying to use. The color gradients and effects I can achieve are amazing compared to brushes. Overall, this airbrush kit has made painting my 3D prints enjoyable and professional looking. I am very happy with this purchase and would highly recommend it to anyone looking to elevate their model painting. Number 4. VIVOHOME Airbrush Kit with Compressor and 3 Guns. This airbrush kit is a high-performance machine with 3 fluid tips for various applications. It's perfect for spraying, inflating, and painting. The adjustable air pressure ensures it meets all your needs. The kit includes a compressor-mounted airbrush holder and a handle for easy portability. The compressor delivers a steady airflow and can be placed on your desktop or under your work table. This equipment provides top-notch painting performance. The system runs with continuous, powerful pressure and has an auto shut-off feature to prevent overheating. Precise airflow adjustment ensures clean, dry air. The classic piston framework ensures steady and sufficient pressure, maintaining a stable air output. It operates quietly and is oil-free, making it a reliable choice. This airbrush kit is versatile, suitable for commercial art, temporary tattoos, cake decoration, cosmetics, and more. It's ideal for crafts, illustrations, and any airbrushing activities you can imagine. What we like. This airbrush kit is designed for multiple purposes and comes with a comprehensive set of accessories. It offers stable performance with a low-noise compressor. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile airbrush for various applications, from barbering to cake decorating, this kit will meet your needs. What people say. This little compressor is great, and so are the airbrush pens that come along with it. Fits right on my desk safely as I work with little suction cup feet. The attachments they give you for startup, yes. I am so freaking into the holder for your airbrushes on the machine, and it's easy to move it from side to side depending on how you need to work. The hose length is very generous and the material is thick enough so you don't have to worry about fraying or breaking it. The quality of the compressor is excellent, quiet, powerful, and runs smoothly without overheating. It delivers consistent airflow and is perfect for long sessions. The kit comes with everything you need to get started: multiple dual-action airbrushes, hoses, a moisture trap, cleaning tools, and even paint jars. It's truly an all-in-one setup, great for both beginners and experienced users. Everything was easy to set up and worked right out of the box. Number 3. Rechargeable Cordless Airbrush Kit. Introducing a stylish and compact airbrush kit, perfect for on-the-go use. This versatile tool is designed for various applications, from makeup to model painting. It's easy to carry and ready for any creative project. Experience superior performance with increased air pressure and airflow. This airbrush kit delivers up to 27 psi and a flow of 6-8 L, ensuring smooth and even application. The 0.3 mm nozzle is ideal for various paints and inks. This dual-action airbrush features an automatic function for ease of use. Simply press the switch and trigger to start. The built-in indicator displays the battery level, ensuring you're always ready to go. Enjoy faster charging with the included USB cable and upgraded battery. It supports 2A fast charging and provides 1 to 2 hours of working time. Avoid using while charging for optimal performance. The kit includes everything you need: a dropper, cleaning tools, capacity cups, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this comprehensive airbrush set. What we like. This airbrush kit is portable, compact, and features higher air pressure for better performance. It also includes an auto function and battery level display. If you like a cordless and convenient option for on-the-go barbering or detailed work, this airbrush is perfect for you. What people say. Este compressor lo estuve comprando para mi hermana que es manicurista y hace unos destinos con ella hermosos, esta super buena, muy bien material, buena potencia, mezcla muy bien los colores, ella quedó enamorada. Works awesome. This item works well, it does exactly what I wanted to do. Number 2. Airbrush Kit with Compressor 30 psi Portable Airbrush Gun. This cordless airbrush gun offers 3 adjustable air pressures, 30, 25, and 18 psi. It's perfect for various applications, delivering a heavier coating quickly across a wide area. Unlike traditional airbrushes, this one allows you to adjust air pressure with the on-off button. You can also control the paint amount by sliding the trigger. This provides consistent, smooth results and even paint distribution. The 0.3 mm needle and nozzle combination helps control paint and airflow, reducing overspray. This improves detail work and minimizes paint waste. Remember to dilute all paints before use. The set includes 3 paint cups of different sizes and 5 cleaning brushes. The funnel shape ensures effective paint flow and easy cleaning, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. This nail airbrush machine is cordless and can be used anywhere. The rechargeable battery provides over 60 minutes of continuous use and supports USB charging from various sources. It supports fast charging and is compatible with most chargers. First, test with water to check for blockages. Then, add diluent to your paints until the consistency is similar to milk. Finally, adjust the air pressure and the knob at the tail of the spray gun to the maximum to test. What we like. This airbrush kit offers 3 adjustable air pressures and greater control over paint flow. It's also easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. If you're a beginner or a barber looking for an easy-to-use and versatile airbrush, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Using the airbrush is very straightforward. There are 3 different speed settings. Cleaning the airbrush is also fairly simple, even with something viscous that eventually hardens such as tempered cocoa butter. Number 1. Airbrush Kit with Compressor, Rechargeable and Portable. This airbrush kit is completely cordless and rechargeable. It comes with a rechargeable battery that offers over 60 minutes of continuous use. You can charge it easily with a USB cable. With its portable design, you can take this airbrush kit anywhere. It features an indicator light to show the battery power, so you'll know when it's time to recharge. Unleash your artistic skills wherever you go. This airbrush offers 3 adjustable air pressure settings. You can easily switch between 23 psi, 36 psi, and 48 psi to achieve the desired effect. It's perfect for various applications without clogging. The kit includes 3 different cup sizes, 10cc, 20cc, and 40cc. It also comes with paintbrushes and a dropper, making it easy to create your artwork. Plus, cleaning brushes and needles are included for easy maintenance. Equipped with a 0.3 mm fluid nozzle, this airbrush kit ensures high precision. This fine nozzle, along with different pressure settings, allows you to work with intricate designs. Let your creativity flow effortlessly. We stand behind the quality of this airbrush kit. We offer a worry-free warranty for 45 days after purchase. Your complete satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This airbrush kit is rechargeable, cordless, and features adjustable air pressure with a 0.3 mm fluid nozzle for precision. It also comes with different capacity cups. If you are a barber looking for a high-pressure, cordless airbrush with detailed control, this kit will help you achieve professional results. What people say. This is by far the most user-friendly airbrush I've ever used. The airbrush sprays smoothly and evenly, leaving a beautiful finish. It works great and is so simple and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.